G'day. So today I'm going to show you how to create a email signature for your emails. I use a system called HubSpot. This is a free system that you can use online, the links to which are in the description of this video below, so please look for all the links and updates in there. To get started with, you've got a number of templates we can use, which will change depending on the template you're using here. Starting with the top, it says created with HubSpot. That will create this little link down the bottom here. If you want to keep that, just leave it as is, otherwise tick that across there. And then go down and choose a template that best matches your look and feel for your signature. They've got about 6 templates and they're all quite nice. They're laid out very well. Template 4 is the one I prefer to use. I think it's got a nice layout to it, so we're just going to start with this. Next we go across and then we just fill in all the details. Quite literally just put everything in. So if I click on first name is Mark, obviously, surname is Howard. Job title, we're going to put in here, let's see, digital marketing and social media. I can put in a department if I wish. If I don't want to, I can just leave that out. I can put in my business name here as well, so I can put in a business machine, my office number, and as you see, it just builds up quite nicely around. Let's put in my mobile number here. And my website address. And of course my email address as well. So that's going to be mark@businessmachine.biz. You can put your address in, for example, there if you decide to. You can, I can just put in Horsham, but if I want to put my whole address in, I can do. It's entirely up to you how you want your signature to look. Down here you've got a number of social links you can use. So you've got LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. That's really pretty much all you're restricted to on here. So you just put issue links in just for ease and to show you what it looks like. I'm just going to put a hash in here just so you can see them appearing on the side there. So they're all there. And then you got this custom field, which is quite nice. You can put in different content in there as well. So if you're like your hours, it says, or anything you want to do in there, so you can just put in there your bonus content, whatever you want it to say. It's something I don't tend to use, but you can do. I'm showing you there where it appears on the signature. Next, we're just going to go to the look and feel of the signature. So here we can stylize the signature to the way I want. I can change the colors around. If you know your your actual coloring there, you can change that to how you want it to look. So this is going to change the signature stuff down the side here. Let's just copy that for a second, and let's just change the links to that. I can choose a different font. Again, you're restricted to the fonts they've got here, so there's not too many that you can use. So Homer is quite a nice one you can use. And then obviously the font size as well. You can change all your font sizes up and down depending on what you want. Okay, so I'm going to go for, I think I'll go for a large there. Looks quite good. When you're happy with that, next part is upload your signature. So what you can do is you can have a profile picture if you particularly want to, or your company logo. It really depends again on how you want. You can have both or whichever. Now you get the option to upload it to Google Drive if you want to first, and then put it in the URL in here. Or what I do, for example, is I will go to my website here and just pick up my logo. So I can just right click on my logo. I can then copy the image address and just paste that in there, and that'll put my logo in. Again, you're restricted to the size around the signature. It's not a major issue, but this is free, so you can't really complain too much. You can also put a call to action if you particularly want to as well. So, you know, click here to find out more or something, and that would create your download, I don't know, and then just put in a URL to wherever it's going to go to, and then you can just change your call to action to whatever you want it to be. Yeah, you can even put a call to action image if you prefer to do it, image underneath, and again it just takes you to your URL. So it's just like a nice way you can put a nice call to action on your signature if you so want. If you don't want to, and then just don't add it in. It's as simple as that. I can just click on this slot and just take it straight out, and it's gone. When you're happy with your signature and the way it looks, just click on Create Signature. Don't worry about this. This is just something that they would do just to get some ideas and information back from yourself, and then it gives you the completed signature here. Now all you got to do is you can either copy the signature directly or copy the signature source code. I would normally just copy the signature, and then I'll go to my Gmail and then just paste it straight into my Gmail account. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button to be notified of more great videos from the Business Machine.